You said you couldn't see how it's done. Today, I'm fixing that. Welcome to the MTH Health Visual Masterclass. It's about the texture. See this light dusting? If it's too thick, the wax won't grab. If it's too thin, it grabs your skin. Here is the first hidden step, the anchor. Twist your spatula at the end to build this handle. It's your key to a painless pull. Visibility is everything here. Look how tight I'm holding the skin. If it's loose, you'll bruise. Tension is your best friend. Watch the angle. I'm not pulling up. I'm pulling back across the surface. This is how you avoid breaking the hairs at the root. Pressure immediately kills the sting. Then, watch how the oil dissolves the residue without any scrubbing needed. Did these angles help? Let me know which part was finally clear for you. Don't forget to like for more deep dive tutorials.